Greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. Let's review what greenhouse gases are. So the sun emits visible light, right? And when that visible light and other frequencies of light come towards Earth, they penetrate through our atmosphere and reach the surface of the Earth, and this warms Earth. So Earth absorbs that solar energy and it releases that energy from the surface as infrared thermal energy. Right? So visible light comes towards Earth, goes through the atmosphere, is absorbed by Earth. That visible light is then changed into infrared thermal energy. That's what we feel as heat. And that thermal energy is then emitted back out to space. However, in order to get out to space, that thermal energy has to pass back through our atmosphere. And within our atmosphere, some gases trap that thermal energy. They absorb that thermal energy. These greenhouse gases include water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and many others. And when they absorb that thermal energy, they then can radiate it back towards Earth. It goes back down to Earth. So rather than the energy coming to Earth and then leaving again, it comes to Earth and then bounces around within our atmosphere, getting trapped. And this warms the lower atmosphere where we live. Right? This is called the greenhouse effect because it operates in a manner that's very similar to the way that glass traps heat within a horticultural greenhouse. If you've ever gone into a greenhouse or if you've ever gone into a room, surrounded by glass, they can get very, very hot, especially in the summertime. Earth's atmosphere does very similar things. Right. This means that greenhouse gases are actually very important, right? Without greenhouse gases, Earth would be a frozen, dead world. There wouldn't be any heat trapped here, so we couldn't live here. So it's actually really important that water vapor and carbon dioxide are in the atmosphere. However, any process that increases the amount of these greenhouse gases increases the trapping of the thermal energy near Earth and increases the temperature of Earth. So it's important that we have these greenhouse gases. However, too much of them means that Earth can get too hot.